Hi, my name's Matt, and this is my colleague, Big Rob. We'd like to introduce you to our IT operations manager. Ooh, he looks pretty stressed. Why is he so stressed though? Is it servers? Is it money? Is it something else? Oh, let's relax. Let's take him back to that paradise place where nobody can... Wait, what's this? Captain Cloud and Spark to save the day? Let's find out more. Whether it's wandering around the office aimlessly or perhaps popping to the nearest coffee shop to buy a latte, operations people are busy. And if they need a virtual machine while they're on the move, tough luck. But not for this guy though. He's using Cisco Spark to make the request while he's on the move. Look at him type. I need a Linux server, he says. I want you to call it contest, and I need some cores, and I need some RAM. Who's he sending it to? Maybe a lackey. But who has a lackey anymore? They're in short supply, and even if you do have one, you can't trust it to deliver the goods on time. So as he hammers out this message, he hits send. Who's it going to? UCS Director. What on earth is this? Let's find out more. What you're seeing at work here is the legendary Spark API. Using the excellent documentation available on cisco.com, we created a webhook that listens out for keywords, and it's built my VM with 4 cores and 8 gig of RAM and called it Contest. Let's hope we win. Now, the wonderful thing as well is that I can use this whole ecosystem here to go back to Spark and click the link to go straight into an SSH session. Let's do it now. Spark has totally decoupled him from where he has to be. So now he can just trudge on up to his favourite place in the whole wide world, the data centre. Sit there under the cool breeze of the air conditioning and imagine a martini in his hand, praising how wonderful life is. So don't be alarmed here, we've moved from a phone to a computer. But this is the UCS Director GUI, and we can see now in real time that virtual machine building. We look at the service request and we can see that it's genuinely built it. This is not smoke and mirrors, we're talking directly between those two APIs to solve real world challenges. And it doesn't necessarily even have to just be virtual machines. We can build anything. If we can automate it in UCS Director, it can be automated here. Now, it's not just a case of being able to create things. Let's use the SparkBot on Windows to just roll it back. And again, it's just as easy as saying to UCS Director Bot, hey, roll back that service ID. It even tells me to do that. How cool is that? Rolling back, done. Before we join our friends on the beach, why don't we quickly summarize? UCS Director is the best way to automate and manage a Cisco powered data center. Cisco Spark is the best collaboration tool. Why not join the two together? It is so easy with the APIs, you would not believe it. Every piece of code you've seen, the entire bot, everything, was less than half a day's work for us to get the integration going. Your customers can now start realizing how they can use Spark, how they can use automation to start making their lives easier. Whether it's doing service requests, doing things like automated approvals and making sure that people are available when they need to be. These things, you can use the power of Spark to make your life easier, to make your sales quicker, and hopefully to have a nice time. And I'll leave you with the best thing in the world after a hard day's work, a nice cold beer. Thank you.